In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Depop seller account. If you're looking to turn your love for fashion into a business or just make some extra cash by selling items you no longer need, Depop is a fantastic platform to start with. Known for its vibrant community and focus on vintage, streetwear, and secondhand fashion, it offers an easy way to reach millions of active buyers worldwide. Today, we'll walk through each of the steps to set up your very own Depop seller account. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to download the Depop app. It's available on both iOS through the App Store and Android via the Google Play Store. If you prefer using a web browser, you can also sign up directly on the Depop website. The app is user-friendly, designed to make the selling process as straightforward as possible. Once you have the app installed, go ahead and open it. Tap on the Sign Up button to start creating your account. You have several options to register. You can use your email, link your Facebook, Google, or Apple ID. Remember, choose a unique username that represents your brand well, as this will be the name buyers associate with your shop. Next, it's time to set up your profile. This is your chance to make a great first impression. Add a profile picture. This could be a logo if you're aiming for a brand look, or a personal photo to give your shop a personal touch. Write a short bio that gives a snapshot of what buyers can expect from your shop. Mention if you're selling vintage finds, streetwear, or unique handmade items. Adding your location is also a good idea, as it helps local buyers discover your shop more easily. Now, to switch to a Depop seller account, navigate to your settings and then tap on the Selling Hub. Here, you'll need to connect your PayPal account, which is necessary for receiving payments. Depop might ask you to verify your identity, which could include uploading a form of ID. This step is crucial as it builds trust with buyers and ensures smooth transactions. Finally, here are a few tips for new Depop sellers. When listing items, take clear photos in natural light to best showcase your product. Use relevant keywords and hashtags to make your listings easy to find. Engage with potential buyers by responding promptly to messages, which can improve your shop's ratings. Offering bundles and discounts can entice customers to purchase more and become repeat buyers. Creating a Depop seller account is quick and easy, and once you're set up, focus on crafting high-quality listings and building trust with your buyers. With the right approach, you can grow your shop and enjoy consistent sales on Depop. Thanks for watching and happy selling.